Okay, y'all, so we left and we just had a slab. We just got home. We have a house. It's a little windy out here, so it's going to be loud. I apologize for that, but holy cow. We have a full-on house. So we're going to walk around here. Here's our garage. This will be Will's side of the garage. This will be my side of the garage. Wow. Again, it's windy, sorry, but it be what it be. There's a doorway right there. And over here is the doorway going into our laundry room, which is this room right here. You can actually see it now. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna walk in through the front door like civilized people though. Ooh, it's windy. There's a storm blowing in. All right. So, front porch. And there's our support beam. I'm so excited, y'all. Oh, Lord. Here's our front door. And in my first video, I said, you know, in your imagination that there was a pocket door right here going into the laundry room, which is right here. This is our foyer that I said was not a very big foyer, about 55 inches, which is right here. Here's our living room. Woo! Dust in my eyes. Holy cow. Fireplace is going to be right there. There's our front windows. We got a 2-foot slider, 6-foot window looking right out there to the peaks, and another 2-foot slider. So here's our living room. Here is the entryway into our hallway. So we're going to go into our hallway. This is the bathroom, I believe. Oh, wait. Here's the closet. Here's our bathroom. So there'll be like a towel vanity here, counter, toilet, walk-in shower here, window right there. Back into our hallway. This is our craft room. I'm so excited. We have a window. Here's our craft room. It's not a gigantic craft room, but it's totally going to be big enough. Right here is going to be a sink. And probably about here in this area, I'll have a station, like a chair and a mirror so I can cut Will's hair. Yeah, craft room. So excited. Going through here, this is what we're calling Nona's room. It's our back bedroom. We have a window on the wall. We're going to have a big transom window up there. Closet right here. So this is Nona's bedroom. It's my grandmother's bedroom furniture is going in this room. So Nona's room. So happy. Okay, walking through here down our hallway, which will have lots of things hanging on the walls. This is going to be office space. So going in here will be the office. There's another window right there. So this is our office. Another little bit to the hallway, and then down here there'll be a doorway coming in here. Oh, got dirt in my eyes. This is going to be the Mickey room with a big giant picture window. Sorry for the noise. We got a storm coming through. Okay, I'm going to go back through the hallway into the kitchen. So here's our kitchen, island, dining room, coat closet. There's a little hallway into our bedroom. So we have our bedroom. Oh man, this is our bedroom. Window, window. Doorway going into the bathroom. This is the water closet. There'll be a vanity, tall cabinet vanity. I got dirt in my eyes from this haboob. And then here's our closet. Another window in the closet. I know, I gotta get to the family room. One more room. This is my pantry. Big old giant pantry. French doors right here leading into our family room. And then doors going out to the patio. Look at that dust blowing. We gotta go. All right, that's it.